How to fix Snapchat loading problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Snapchat like this. Click on Snapchat app and then click on force stop here to stop the app from running in the background of your phone, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and click on update to update it. And the last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.